laundromat and me hiding acorns have in common? Buddy, we both generate wealth while we sleep. I'm Nucho. I own 47 laundromat franchises, and I have a nut addiction. But that's between me and my therapist. Today I'm going to show you how a room full of machines can make you more money than your brother-in-law with his NFT startup. It all started 3 years ago. Back then I had a normal job, collect acorns, bury them, forget where I buried them, the classic cycle. One night I walked into a laundromat at 2 a.m. Don't ask why. Squirrel business. And that's when I saw it. Machines working, nobody watching, money flowing in, zero drama, zero employees complaining about the air conditioning, zero customers asking if we accept crypto. I sat on a warm dryer and thought, Nucho, this is your destiny. Let's talk numbers. Because dreams without numbers are just naps. An average laundromat in the United States makes between $15,000 and $30,000 a month. Hits the board. A month, not a year. A month. Profit margins between 20% and 35%. Translation, for every dollar coming in, you keep 20 to 35 cents clean. But Nucho, that doesn't sound like much. Cross his arms, sure, because you'd rather keep 0 cents from every dollar your boss makes from your work. Brilliant strategy. Let's do quick math. Average laundromat, $20,000 a month. 25% margin. That's $5,000 profit every month. $60,000 a year. And what are you doing meanwhile? Nothing. The machines work. You sleep. Just like me, except I also sleep on acorns. Nucho, this sounds great. But why does it work? Reason number one. People are dirty. Don't take it personally. It's biology. We sweat. We spill sauce on our shirts during first dates. We exist. Reason number two. Not everyone owns a washing machine. In big cities, millions of people rent apartments without laundry access. You know what they do? They go to my laundromat. Well, a laundromat, which could be yours. Reason number three, it survives recessions. When the economy crashes, people stop buying luxury stuff. But you know what they never stop doing? Washing clothes. Because you can be broke. But broke and smelly? That's a different level of suffering. Nucho, this sounds expensive. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you like those dropshipping gurus on TikTok. Building a laundromat from scratch can cost between $200,000 and $500,000. Pause. Yeah, I heard your bank account crying. But wait. Option B, buy an existing laundromat. A lot of owners want to retire. They sell working businesses for $100,000 to $300,000. It already has customers. It already has machines. It already has cash flow. You just walk in and collect. Option C, partner with somebody. You put half the money in. They put the other half. You each make half the profit. But half of something is still better than 100% of nothing. And trust me, I've seen squirrels fight over acorns, but I've almost never seen laundromat partners fight. Nucho, how much work is this? Depends how lazy you are. Self-service laundromat? Barely any work. A few hours a week. Cleaning, checking machines, collecting money. Modern machines take cards, apps, contactless payments. Nobody carries giant bags of quarters anymore. Well, my grandmother does. But she also keeps newspapers from 1987. There are apps showing exactly how much money you're making in real time. Imagine this. You're at the beach. Your phone buzzes. Washer number 7 completed cycle. Plus $4.50. Boom, ice cream money. Earned while tanning. And the best part? No inventory. No products expiring, no refunds. People walk in, wash clothes, leave, pay, simple, clean. Just like the laundry coming out of my machines. Now comes the part nobody tells you. Because if this business were perfect, everybody would own a laundromat, and then I wouldn't be special. Adjusts tie, mistake number one. Bad location. If you open in a rich neighborhood where everyone owns 3 washing machines, you're doomed. You need apartments, students, workers, people who need your service. Mistake number 2, cheap machines. You buy machines from 1995. They break every week. You spend more on repairs than on good equipment. Invest in quality. Good machines last 15 years. Mistake number 3, ignoring cleanliness. Nobody wants to wash their clothes in a place that looks like a crime scene. Keep it clean. Bright. No weird smells. That's it. Look, I'm not saying this business is for everyone. You need capital. You need patience. You need a brain. But if you have those 3 things, a laundromat can become your personal money machine. literally. I started with one laundromat. Now I own 47. And you know what? I'm still a squirrel, still addicted to acorns. But now I'm a squirrel who doesn't work Fridays. If this video helped you, subscribe. Not because I need it. I already have 47 laundromats, but because you need more content like this. And I need attention. Hit the bell, leave a comment. Tell me, what business should I analyze next? See you in the next video. I'm Nucho, and remember, money doesn't grow on trees, but it does grow inside dryers.